let me see. This is gonna be a maintenance video, y'all. I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna get my nails done. I'm gonna get my toes done. Much needed. Yeah. My hair pretty long, so.
Got it.
Period. Because that's what I'm wearing to the concert on Saturday. And I got me Halloween this year. That's why I haven't gotten dressed. I really wasn't in the Halloween spirit.
Get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't even worth us splitting. But if you knew what I was hitting, oh, you never would've came at me like that. Never would've tried to play me like that. Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to get.
Alright, y'all, so this is focus, camera focus. Okay, y'all, so this is the outcome. Y'all see my face? Everything is nice and clean. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with my pink seats on it once I get to the house. So yeah.
Next day.
So y'all, as y'all can see, your girl is off of work. And I am about to go ahead and get my nails done. I'm probably not gonna get my toes done today because I don't have enough time. Like I said earlier, I'm about to meet with my friend Tamia at this restaurant tonight. And we just gonna have some drinks and eat and just catch up because I ain't seen her in a long time. And you know, of course, I'm gonna be vlogging, so y'all gonna see my friends.
A few moments later.
You go, you allow the picture?
No, I'm vlogging, recording. Yeah.
3 hours later.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. So this is going to be a maintenance video, and look at my braids, y'all. Actually, I did these myself. These knotless braids myself. It only took me like 3 hours, whatever. But actually, and I only had them in for like 3 days. No, I only had my knotless braids in for, I want to say like a week and a half. Just a little quick little hairstyle because your girl is getting ready for a maintenance, y'all. I already got my nails done. Yeah, I already got my nails done. Y'all, let's just acknowledge that I did my own braids. This is like a week and a half old, so keep in mind this is a week and a half, y'all. My hair is not freshly new. I'm gonna start recording content of me doing my own hair because I will be back taking hair appointments starting January 2024. My hair pretty long, so I'm just gonna cut it like this. Y'all, keep in mind your girl tuck game is crazy. Like, I love that for me. Y'all, update on my clothes, y'all. So I ordered 3 outfits from Fashion Nova because I'm only gonna be there for the weekend. I'm only gonna be there Friday and Saturday. I'm going back home Sunday. And y'all, they said my outfits are on the way. They'll be here October 31st, y'all, and it's already October 30th. So right on schedule, baby. I leave for NC on November 3rd. You guys probably won't get this vlog until after I come back. I'm gonna try to vlog and edit while I'm in NC, but I probably won't even have time. But you guys will get this vlog as soon as I can get it out to you. And if you haven't already, make sure you go subscribe to my channel and start giving me a thumbs up. Like, y'all been watching me, but y'all haven't really, like, the watching haven't really been matching the likes. And I need y'all to go ahead and like this video and give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm coming back with the vlog. Wash and blow dry my hair out tonight because my hair appointment is at 10 a.m. y'all. I plan on getting me a bob. I don't know if I want to get me a middle part bob or get me a side part bob. I'm really debating because I got a big forehead and like I said, I want to look cute and I want to be cute in my picture because I ain't posted a picture in a minute. And I'm getting back to posting. Like, I really been gone for some years on posting. Like, the old me and my old Instagram, I would post like damn near every day. I used to be so active on Instagram, but as I got older, I really was like, fuck the Instagram. Like, I really didn't start getting into Instagram as much until I moved to Savannah, Georgia, y'all. Like, them folks out there in Savannah, they love Instagram, like, literally. Like, they live for Instagram, so that made me get on my shit and start posting more on Instagram myself. So, but ever since my page got hacked, I had over 10K followers. Ever since that page got hacked, I ain't really been consistent on Instagram, like, cause it's just like I got 5,100 and something followers, but I miss my old page. Like, it's nothing like having your original page. And of course, I'm on the road back to 10K because, yeah. But I do miss my original page. I had my original page since I was in the 7th grade. Like, I had everybody on my Instagram. Everybody. And I was lit. My old page was lit. Like, I was to the point where I was starting to make money off my Instagram page. But we gonna get back lit, don't worry. And while you here, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Ayana with 3 A's and hold on. What is my Instagram anyway? Okay, since you guys are here, follow me on Instagram at Ayana with 3 A's and an X because, yeah, go ahead, follow me. And I'm putting in my description bar below. And make sure you follow my TikTok at One Aries Finest because, yeah, I'm the one Aries and I'm fine as fuck. I'm the finest. Period. But I'm gonna put that in my... Okay, y'all, so I took the braids out so it left my hair nice and crinkly. Now I'm finna wash it and I'm finna call it a night. So I'll see you guys in the morning when I'm gonna get ready for my appointment. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, like, Do I want to put Carmex on or do I want to put lip gloss on? Put some Carmex on. Update, y'all. I am at my hairstylist shop. I'm actually going to somebody new. My mom recommended me go to this girl. It's the girl that been doing her hair. And yeah, I'm gonna let her do a traditional bob on me. I don't know yet if I want a middle part or a side part, but I don't know, it's giving more towards like a middle part. Cause I just like the, I got 20 inches of my hair that I sell. Make sure I go shop the collection. This is Raw Indian. I got 20 inches. I want her to probably cut it into a bob though. And I might ask her to do some highlights if she wants to. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, so update on my Fashion Nova package, y'all. I left the house like around 9:35 and it's now 10:09 and my package was delivered. So I cannot wait to go home and try on my clothes. Like, I love getting packages, like, yeah. So let me tell you what all I got planned today. Today is Halloween. Happy Halloween for those that celebrate Halloween. I'm not really dressing up, celebrating it for real this year. I do have candy for the children because I have a lot of little kids that live in my neighborhood. And I'm pretty sure they're going to be knocking on my door tonight asking to see if I have candy. But yeah, I got some candy for the little kids. I'm just gonna when they knock on the door, I'm just gonna give them some pieces of candy. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put my pajamas on and I'll probably watch some Halloween movies like by myself.
3 hours later.
Y'all, so I am back from getting my hair done, and let's just say Nay 8. Like, I really don't even go to different hairstylists, but I really like her work. Like, she really did her big one. Also because she did her big one. This is a blunt cut bob, y'all, and it literally looks like it's coming out my scalp. Like, this is a closure, not a closure, I'm sorry. This is a traditional sewing. This is a traditional sewing, y'all. It looks so good. And she did her big one, period. Make sure y'all hit up my girl Nay for all your installs. She do everything. She do braids, she do everything. And yeah, of Nay's work. Like, she did her big one. The braid down was fire, y'all. And yeah, I'm definitely coming back to her. I'm so glad I found 3 Atlanta hairstylists that is so professional and that's so genuine and sweet, and they kill the game every time they do my hair. Like, look at this. Period. So y'all, I'm finna go back home because I know Gia is going crazy. She been in the house all day. So I'm gonna go back home, tend to my pup, and I'm gonna probably get my eyebrows and my hold on.
Hey girl.
Hey.
Daddy, she did the lashes done.
Girl, that's what I just was saying. I need my lashes done because
I'm gonna have to get your eyebrows.
my eyebrows actually done though. Look, my eyebrows are done. I got them done like last week.
Need some lashes, Yachty.
Period.
God.
Thank you. I know she really ate down. Like, I really love my hair, my install.
I told you.
She the one. Like, she the truth for real, Mom. You was right.
I told you.
She is the one. And the braid down was fire. She went to Empire Beauty School. Alright, y'all. So I am back from getting my hair done. And my packages came. Like, Fashion Nova came. Let's see. Let's open my Fashion Nova package, y'all. On camera. I guess I opened my package on camera. Look at Gia, right front and center. Get down. This puppy is too front and center for me. I got some pants. I got a cute shirt because that's what I'm wearing to the concert on Saturday. And I got me a bodysuit. Y'all probably gonna wear it to the club on Friday. But yeah, I got my packages. It's getting real. I gotta pack my clothes, y'all. I'm actually gonna try my clothes on actually, but I'm gonna try those on off camera. But yeah, today is October 31st, y'all. So it is Halloween. So I lost the footage, y'all, of me going to Walmart and actually buying the candy and putting it inside this bin. But I really wasn't gonna do anything for Halloween this year. That's why I haven't gotten dressed. I really wasn't in the Halloween spirit. But it's too many kids around my neighborhood that's gonna be knocking on my door. So I was like, you know what? I might as well get in the spirit and get this cute little pumpkin bucket and just get candy for the kids. Of course, I'm gonna be in tonight, y'all, so watching Halloween movies. So when they're knocking on my door, I'm just gonna open the door. Gia gonna be going crazy. Gia, hey, stop. She gonna be going crazy, right? So I got some chocolate inside here. So I got Kit Kat, I got Reese's, I got the cookie Hershey's. Just chocolate. I got chocolate for the kids. So hopefully they come by my door and eat this chocolate, because Lord knows that I don't even need this chocolate because I'm really trying to lose weight. But yeah, y'all, that's all I'm doing today. I'm probably about to get on TikTok and finish packing. Y'all see the boxes. It's getting real. It's getting close to your girl to move. And I still haven't decided how I want to explain why I'm moving and where I'm going to be going to and stuff like that yet. So that is coming soon. I move out my apartment November 30th. So yeah, it's getting real, y'all. I'm super excited. It's almost time for Gia. It's almost time for Gia. Let me go ahead and get these videos to you guys. I'm gonna sit here and edit, finna fold clothes, and I'm finna pack. Catch y'all later on tonight. I might vlog, you know, the girlies, but y'all talk about my motherfucking hair. Like, it's giving. Is this your real hair or is this bundles, baby? She did her big one on this, like, for real. Like, you can't even tell this is my hair. Like, no, you can't even tell this is like weave. Like, and if you know, my real hair is literally the length of the fucking weave, so you really can't tell if this is my real hair or not. And you see how flat my leave out is? It's literally coming out my scalp. But I decided to get a bob, y'all, because I haven't had a bob in a long time. And I haven't had a middle part bob since like high school, my senior year. But yeah,